Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Venitra, your licensed esthetician and cosmetic formulator. And in today's video, we will be discussing a skincare haul that I did for ingredients. So I'm so excited. For those who don't know, I've been making skincare products for about 4 years. But I've got to the point now where I'm ready to really create a brand. I've went to aesthetic school. I've went to cosmetic formulation school, and so I am so excited to launch this product line, and I want to bring you guys along with me. So let's get right into it. One, we have aloe vera powder. That's from Lotion Crafters. So the first few things I'm going to show you guys is from Lotion Crafters. Then we have alpha arbutin. We have hyaluronic acid. Lipid Thick. Lipid Thick is for creating like a butter out of oil. So you could mix about 80% of like avocado oil to 20% of Lipid Thick, and it would give you a butter consistency. We have willow bark extract. We have xanthan gum soft. We also have fruit complex. Move those over. Lactic acid. Lucidal liquid. This is your preservative, your natural preservative. We also have liquid dermal plus. I went a little overboard, but these are the main things that I want to use in my line, so I was like, why not? We have chamomile extract. We also have Fusion Glow. So this Fusion Glowplex, this is something that I seen on Lotion Crafters. Once I put into the search engine hyperpigmentation, this popped up. It's a tad bit pricey, so I'm going to start off by making a serum for myself and seeing exactly if it's really worth how much it costs, and then we'll go from there. But that's Fusion Glowplex. We have vitamin B3, which is niacinamide. It helps with hyperpigmentation. It helps brighten the skin. I really like it in most of my products. And I see a lot of different people who use niacinamide products in groups that I follow, and the results look pretty well. So figured I'd pick some up. Then we have licorice root. That's another way to help with hyperpigmentation. Pumpkin seed extract. Another licorice root extract. Okay, so the next few items I'm going to show you is from a supplier that I found on Etsy. So I could link it down below. I think they have very reasonable prices for the amount of product that you receive. So we have our glycolic acid. And we know glycolic acid is for damaged skin, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and helps rejuvenate your skin. It also is an exfoliant, so it helps turn the skin over a little faster. Then we have our marine collagen powder. We have vitamin A powder. This is it's retinol, but it's not like the real retinol, but it has some of the same compounds, and you know, it works. It's effective. And that's vitamin A powder. Then we have vitamin E powder. I think we have 2 of these. Yeah, we have 2 vitamin E powders. The reason why I wanted to get vitamin E powder is because vitamin E stabilizes a lot of formulas, especially when it comes to your oils and keeping everything fresh for a certain amount of time. So I wanted to see the difference between your vitamin E oil and your vitamin E powder, and how I'm able to kind of switch those up in formulas. Then we have your Mandelic Acid. I'm so excited about the Mandelic Acid because this is an underrated ingredient, and I really plan to make a acne serum and an acne wash using Mandelic Acid. And one of my main ingredients that I love, one of my main companies that I love for my spa uses a lot of mandelic acid. So I was like, since I'm going to start formulating my own products for my spa, I want to make sure that I'm being consistent with the ingredients that I see results in. This is lactic acid powder. It's a chemical exfoliant, a pH buffer, natural preservative, and it's non-GMO and vegan. This is another glycolic acid. We have our Azelaic powder. Well, our Azelaic acid. This is another ingredient that is highly underrated, but I see a lot of results, and so I want to make sure that I'm utilizing this in my formulas as well. We have tremonexamide. I know I'm not pronouncing that right, but this is for hyperpigmentation. Then we have your allantoin powder. Allantoin powder is anti-irritation, moisturizer, and skin protection. And so that's pretty much used to hydrate the skin. And I believe that is it. So we have all of these different ingredients. So what I plan to do is create a skincare line that is based on corrective skincare, right? So what that means is I want to make sure that I am correcting the issues that my clients have. A lot of my people are dealing with hyperpigmentation, dry skin, uneven skin tone, acne. And so I want to formulate a line that really helps with people who have melanated skin and are dealing with certain type of skincare issues. So thank you so much for tuning in. I know this video wasn't super long, but I'm actually like about to start work. So I wanted to get in here and get this video done. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I will be uploading at least weekly when it comes to different formulas that I'm creating and really the behind the scenes of getting the business together. Thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. Leave all questions below and I'll answer them.